Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Design. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. Today I am sharing with different amazing top 30 plus bucket flower arrangement idea that will explore in this video very amazing and different top quality bucket flower arrangement idea and expect floral inspirations. And in this video you can discuss about is introductions to the top bucket flower arrangement idea and the timeless rose bucket designs and the wild flowers magic and rustic buckets how to build and the elegant orchard arrangements and dye spring garden buckets and different other things. Please keep watching this video till ends. Let's start this video. In this video we will deliver into the world of enchanting the different buckets arrangements ideas and exploring the diversity styles and the techniques that will empowers you to create the stunning floral and masterpieces. Best floral arrangement and the top floral inspirations, expert the bucket tips and how to create the flower bucket ideas, and you can pick the ideas from these videos. Let's start in these videos. Welcome back to captivating the journey through a art of floral designs. In this video, we will discuss about the sure to your creative spark. Our expert will vary language of the blooms and the takes you are as seamless figures, offering the insights and inspirations. Our floral adventures begin with an introducing the settings, the stage for an array of buckets arrangements that will leave you the simple bounds. You will learn about the essential elements of creating a stunning buckets and the power of storytelling through flowers. It's a timeless rose buckets designs. The roses, the perennial symbols of love and beauty. Take the spotlights and discover how to arrange them in the breathtaking and the timeless designs that evoke a sense of romance and the elegance. Whether it is a single red rose or a bucket of multicolored blossoms, our experts share the secret to perfect the rose arrangements. The wildflowers magic and the rustics buckets for the refined the beauty of a roses. And when you want to give a gift or your friends and yours loves, then this video is for you, because in this video you guys pick the different ideas and arrangements of flowers and the elegant orchards arrangements of flowers is the next levels. And you can dye spring gardens buckets also use the spring burst flowers with a vibrant explosives of colors, and our expert the guides you through the crafting your every own spring garden buckets. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel and share it this video. If you want to give comments and any suggestions, then you can comments in this video. Be beyond the blooms the unique buckets elements. Our explorations take an unexpected turn as we deliver into the unique buckets elements, explore the unconventional materials and the designs techniques that will add a touch of individuality to your buckets, making them stand out and leave a lasting impressions. Yeah, you can see that different tips as we research the calculations of a floral journey expert and the import the valuables pro tips and the advance that will elements your buckets arrangement skills to new the heights. Is very amazing things. You can see that the flowers buckets and in your home and living rooms you can easily arrange it. If you want this video and share it for your friends and family members, because the unique buckets elements is very important in the papers and the ribbons and flowers and the different plastic materials you can also use, and different papers the pink color also used. Thank you for watching this.